So if you are a video editor or you're starting editing videos, there are some keyboard shortcuts that you need to know so that you can edit your videos faster and deliver it in time, or maybe post it in time, whatever you're doing. And it's very important because these definitely save time. So here are 5 keyboard shortcuts that you need to know in video editing inside of Premiere Pro. So the very first is a shortcut that is very much helpful, and I use it on a daily basis. So let's say you have done all these edits and you want to remove this particular video. What you have to do is you have to select this video, press delete, scroll away, select all these videos and then push it back in. That's great, but this also takes up time. What if there was one button to do this all? Well, there is. So let's say I want to delete this video. Well, select this video, delete, and press A on the keyboard. That will give these 2 arrows. If you click on the video, the first video over here, it selects all the video to the right side of that video as well. Everything gets selected and all you have to do is drag them back into the place so that you can fill the gap. That's so cool, right? It saves so much time. You don't have to scroll all the way back and then select everything. Alright, this next keyboard shortcut is also something that is very useful and I use it almost every day. So what if you want to select certain portion of a video and include that in your timeline? You find a particular spot, let's say this is the spot I want and this should be the end one, and then you drag it all the way down here to add that into the timeline. But there is a keyboard shortcut that you can use to make this a little bit faster. Let's say this is the end point that you want to select, so you have to press I on the keyboard, that selects the mark in. Let's just go ahead, and this is probably like the last end point of the video. Press O to create an out point, and then you can drag and drop into the timeline. There is another keyboard shortcut that you can use in here where you don't have to drag your mouse and put the video into the timeline. All you have to do is press comma on the keyboard and boom, it just drags and drops the video automatically to the timeline. Now that depends upon where your playhead is. So let's say if you want to place this video right in the middle of here, you can just press comma and boom, there you go. The awesome thing is that it moves your playhead all the way to the right side of that very video. That's pretty cool, right? Alright, the third keyboard shortcut that I use is also something that is very helpful. Let's say you have this video in this very specific portion, but I want this video to be actually in here, in this very portion. In order to do that, I have to put this video away and then bring everything in. I have to select all this, bring everything in, then bring this inside. But what if there was just one button that you can use to do it all? So this is the video that you want to move to this very position, right? Well, click on this video, press and hold Control, and then drag to where you want to place it. You can see there are some arrows that you can see, and when you lift off your hand from the mouse and the keyboard, boom, it just placed this video in between these 2 videos. That's so amazing. This is very important if you want to place your videos in certain positions. Now shortcut number 4 is something that you have to create inside of Premiere Pro. But before we create it, let's just see how it works. So let's say I just want to add a cut over here. So I'm going to use the razor tool and I want to delete this very video and use A for the shortcut, select everything else in the right and move it back in. What if there was a way that you can use just 2 buttons and this whole process will be automated? So I want to cut in this very position. If I press K on my keyboard, that will add an edit, and if I press J on my keyboard, that will ripple delete. Once I press J, boom, the video gets removed and everything from the right of that video is immediately filled back in. So you didn't even have to drag the video to fill in the gap. That ripple delete covered it for you. Now these keyboard shortcuts are actually not present, you have to add them yourself. So you have to go to edit and you can go to keyboard shortcuts. And the first one that I used was add edit. If you search on here, you can see add edit and you can just click on an empty space and press any button and it's registered as your keyboard shortcut. The next one is called ripple delete. Just search it and there you go, ripple delete. I think this one has a default keyboard shortcut, I don't remember anymore, but I've kept it as J because it's just to the left side of K, so it's very easily used with my fingers. It's actually really quick. Select KJ, boom, so quick. Now the last keyboard shortcut is also something that you have to create, unfortunately. So let's say I did change some of the attributes inside of this video file. I went to the effects, I increased the size, I changed the rotation a little bit, and this is what I want. But now I want this very effect in, let's say, this video. I want that very same effect in this very video. Well, all I have to do is press on Ctrl C and go over here and press on Ctrl Alt and V, and it opens up the paste attributes. And here are the options you can select or deselect whatever attributes you want to copy or not, and press OK and boom, it does it for you. You can also right click and the option is available over here, paste attributes. Now you can assign a shortcut to this very feature, so you don't have to use right click and paste attributes. The way you can do that, go to edit, keyboard shortcuts, and the feature name is paste attribute. So search that up, and I've already made one that is Ctrl+Alt+V. You just click on this empty space and then press Ctrl+Alt+V. It's gonna take as Ctrl+Alt+V, and then press OK, and it's gonna save it for you. It's very helpful because sometimes I use metric colors, I do color correction, I want a specific color correction in a specific portion of the video. So what I do, Ctrl+C and Ctrl+Alt+V, and it will paste the attributes only to that specific video. So there you go, these are the 5 keyboard shortcuts that you should be using inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. There are actually way more shortcuts that you can use, but these are the shortcuts that I use in a daily basis, and maybe it's gonna help you a lot in editing videos at much faster rate. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, press that like button. If you didn't, you can also press the dislike button. Comment down below what you think about this very video, and if you have any more shortcuts that you're using inside of Premiere Pro, let me know in the comments. And also don't forget to subscribe because more tutorials and fan trailers are also coming very soon. Well, that's it for me, and I'll see you guys next week. Have a good weekend, guys.